Farming has always been the backbone of civilization, but today, seeds aren't just sown by hand, they're engineered in labs. Fields aren't just plowed, they're monitored by drones. Welcome to the era of biotech farms, where robots and genetics are reshaping what we eat and how we grow it. A biotech farm is a fusion of biology and engineering. It uses genetically optimized crops, automated machinery, and AI-driven data systems to produce food more efficiently, sustainably, and resiliently. These aren't your grandfather's farms, they're precision ecosystems. Scientists now design crops at the DNA level. Using tools like CRISPR, we can create plants that resist pests, survive droughts, and grow with less fertilizer. For example, gene-edited tomatoes can ripen slower and taste better. Wheat varieties can be engineered to resist deadly fungi like rust. Biotech seeds are developed by mapping the plant's genome and inserting or silencing genes to express desired traits. The result? Higher yields, less pesticide use, and resilience to climate change. Robots have taken over the back-breaking labor of farming. From autonomous tractors to AI-powered harvesters, machines now plant, irrigate, fertilize, and even pick delicate crops like strawberries using soft robotic hands. Smart robots use computer vision, LiDAR, and machine learning to identify crop health, detect weeds, and analyze soil nutrients in real time. Some even microdose fertilizers precisely at the plant's root to minimize waste. Every leaf, drop of water, and grain of soil generates data. Biotech farms harness AI and IoT sensors to optimize every step, from sowing to harvesting. Drones scan for crop stress, while satellites monitor weather patterns to guide decisions. This is called precision agriculture. It allows farmers to know exactly when and where to irrigate, fertilize, or intervene. The result? Less resource use, more productivity, and a lower carbon footprint. Biotech farming isn't limited to fields. In urban centers, vertical farms use LED lighting and hydroponics to grow crops indoors, year-round. Even more futuristic? Cultured meat and synthetic proteins, made without a single animal or traditional farm. Bioreactors can now grow animal cells into steaks. Precision fermentation produces milk proteins, without cows. The biotech farm of tomorrow may look more like a lab than a pasture. From DNA to data, biotech farms are transforming how humanity feeds itself. It's not science fiction, it's happening now. The food of the future isn't just grown, it's engineered. And the farmers? Some of them have no hands, just circuits. Thanks for watching Biotech. Don't forget to subscribe for more deep dives into the technologies changing your body and your world.